Every good video starts with the full tank of E85. We got Sus out here, we got Gary out here. What are you doing?
I'm freaking up.
What is up, my friends? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to bring a car girl on a proper car girl date. That made no sense. You wanna go first?
I don't know the way up there.
You go, and then I'll pass ya. Having fun? Are you ripping it? Let me see your head.
The things Devin makes me do. Honey, I can't see.
Beautiful. Let's go ripping.
This has to be a joke. sun's damn near covering my eyes.
All right, you go in front of me now. Rip it. Oh, what a ripper. I hear the Subaru Brat. Here comes the Brat coming up the hill.
Look how pretty it is up here though.
Yes.
Guys, this is the slow car
That thing is bitching. Ah, my favorite spot in the world. Wow, that is the shot right there. This is the shot right here.
To the top?
Well, I kind of want to do some photos or something. This looks pretty sweet here. I want to bust out my camera and take some nice photos. Is your front lip leaking water? What is it?
Would you like a sniff? I don't know, it smells kind of like...
It smells like windshield washer fluid.
It does.
Pop your hood and let me take a gander at your washer fluid tank. Did he smack it on something, huh?
I didn't smack anything. It's always been cracked though.
I thought we replaced it. Nice little engine bay. So sick, dude. Ooh. Yes. Ooh, these are gonna be heaters. Kind of smoky up here. It is, Bobby. I like the stance. Magnificent stance.
Wait, I gotta do a little bit closer. This is
Heater. Absolute heater.
This only the little puddle underneath the car. It looks stupid.
Yes.
Can I be in a heater?
A photo?
Yeah.
Sure. Do you want you or just your whole car or just you?
My whole car.
I didn't know. Hopefully I don't get run over by a Prius. Heater, absolute heater. Quite the heel click, Haas. To the top we go. This is a dope photo spot. Catch me if you can. this road right here is closed, but today it's open. And the top of this is so sick. Bobby's back there somewhere. It's quite windy and chilly up here, Haas.
I knew it was gonna be.
I know it's gonna be this cold. God damn.
I wonder if it was spare jacket.
I don't want it.
You don't?
No?
Oh.
I want to go sit on the ledge.
Do I need my keys? I'm hungry and also I can see that
Where would you like to sit?
follow me to the bench, please.
Wow. How do we know which one's which? Oh, number 10.